Announcing the WICx World Record, Guinness World Records title attempt. Join Women in Cloud as we take on a Guinness World Records title attempt for the most users in a vision board video hangout. Yes! We're thrilled to let you know we've partnered with the Guinness World Record to create an immersive experience ideal for women and allies of all ages looking to change gears in their lives, whether transitioning from high school to college, college to career, employment to self-employment, or employment to retirement, or those just wanting to make a change in their career fields. The record-setting event will take place on February 1st, 2023, and it's going to be led by me, Patti Dobrowolski, visual thinker and change activator from Up Your Creative Genius. During the 3-hour sessions, I'm going to lead you through the process of defining your future you identity and supporting those of you in these transitional periods of your professional or personal life to identify who you want to become.